Hi, I'm Coach Amaziah, and today I'm going to be showing you what comes in the nail kit at BGMU. First, for the nail kit, you will receive an Acrylic kit. It has your pH bonder, primer, prep, extended gel, and top coat gel. It has a 100-180 nail file and then a buffer. And it also comes with your tips and your lights. You will receive a no cleanse top coat, a number 6 gel brush, and then an LED clear builder nail gel, and then an LED clear nail gel. You will also receive your TDLR hand. This is the hand that you take when you go to your practical. You will receive a practice hand that can clamp onto the table with extra tips. You will receive 2 empty spray bottles, a sterilization tray, an e-file, gelish polygel set, a structure clear. You'll also receive the dip concept 2, 3, and 4 along with a dip powder. You will also receive an odorless nail sculpting liquid. In this Ziploc bag, you have 20 mani packs, 10 black foot files, 5 sterilization sheets, a pack of fast foils, a dust brush, some swatches, toe separators. You will also receive a cleanup brush and an 11 gold art brushes. And last but not least, in the Ziploc bag, you will receive your straight clippers. Next, you receive a gelish bag. When you open the bag, your foot file pack should fall right out. You have 100 of Professional Perfecto nail tips. You have your gelish foundation, gelish top it off, and gelish can we dance. You'll also receive a manicure bowl, brush cleaner, nail polish remover, a manicure brush, nail surface cleanse, quick dry nail spray, your number 7 student oval brush, and then unscented harmony lotion. You'll receive 20 Perfecto nail white nail tips, toenail nippers curved, lint-free wipes, nail adhesive secure resin, wrap material, odorless nail liquid, a glass dapping dish, has a lid, and it says gelish. A gelish prohesion master kit, Morgan Taylor React base coat, a top coat, Arctic Freeze, lip service, Sweet Surrender, Pretty Woman, 180-400 foul buffer, a Harmony Eco Pusher, cuticle nippers, and a tip clip. Last but not least, a Harmony pusher with tabs. You will also receive drill bits and your smock, which is your uniform. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.